Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. This appliance promises to elevate your bread making game with its impressive features and functionality. Let's start with the design. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker sports a sleek brushed stainless steel finish, which adds a modern touch to any kitchen. It's quite substantial in size, designed to accommodate large loaves, making it ideal for families. However, its bulkiness might pose a challenge for storage in smaller spaces. Now, onto what really matters: the features. This bread maker comes equipped with a variety of preset programs, from basic white to gluten-free and even options for sweet breads. It also boasts a unique automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which adds ingredients at the perfect time during the baking process. You have the flexibility to customize settings with 9 programmable options, allowing you to save your favorite recipes for future use. The LCD display is clear and intuitive, providing real-time updates on the baking progress. In terms of performance, the Breville Custom Loaf doesn't disappoint. It mixes ingredients thoroughly and evenly, ensuring consistent results with each bake. The viewing window is a standout feature, allowing you to monitor the entire baking process without lifting the lid and disturbing the temperature inside. Let's talk about the baking experience. Whether you're making a simple white loaf or experimenting with more complex recipes like sun-dried tomato and pesto bread, this machine delivers. The loaves consistently come out with a light texture and excellent flavor, much better than store-bought options. Moving on to usability, the bread maker is straightforward to operate, thanks to its well-detailed manual and user-friendly controls. It's easy to select different settings, adjust crust preferences, and set delay timers for fresh bread exactly when you need it. Cleaning the Breville Custom Loaf is relatively hassle-free. The outer casing wipes clean with a microfiber cloth, though it does attract fingerprints. The bread pan and paddles require a bit more attention, but they are easy to clean with warm, soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. To wrap it up, the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is a top contender in the realm of home appliances. Its robust build, extensive features, and consistent performance make it an excellent choice for anyone serious about baking fresh, delicious bread at home. If you're looking to take your bread making skills to the next level, the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker definitely deserves a spot in your kitchen. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy baking!